Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca, and on this channel I talk about anything and everything that has to do with yoga, and I have practices here for you too. Today I'm going to talk about 3 different ways that you can use a 12-inch yoga wheel to relieve upper back tension. So if you have been sitting at your desk for too long, or you feel like you have a stiff neck, sore shoulders, sitting in a car too long, whatever it is, and you just feel tight and stiff in the upper back and neck, then stay tuned. You're gonna love what I show you. I'm gonna show you how to use this 12-inch yoga wheel. There are many 12-inch yoga wheels on the market right now, and some of them are more reasonably priced than others, but in general, they're fairly affordable. Definitely more affordable than they were a few years ago when I bought mine. Okay, so the first 2 ways that I'm going to show you are a little bit more active. Okay, so you can take the wheel and bring it right back behind you and hold it with your thumbs so that the fingers are down. And you can just kind of lean back just a little bit. Okay, and continue to hold on to the wheel. If you can't hold on to the wheel, you can bring your hands to the floor. And you can literally just hang out here and look up. This really opens up sort of the middle thoracic, so just above T12 or your bra strap line. And it's sort of gets that spot right below the shoulder blades. Okay, another variation of that is to bring the hands behind your head and support your head a little bit as you look up. Okay, and generally you want to hold these for about 3 to 5 breaths. Okay, so moving a little bit deeper, you can grab a block and a little cushion if you have one, pillow or anything. Is that still behind me? Okay. All right, so now we're gonna lean back and take your block with you. And you can put the block right behind your head, okay? And you can hang out here. This is a little bit more restorative. Oh, this feels great. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this video. Anyway, this feels fantastic. So you can stay here for, I would say, 3 to 8 breaths. So the more restorative positions, you can stay a little bit longer. Okay, so finding your way into a more active position, you can extend your way. Okay, you can bring your arms up overhead like this, interlace your fingers, arms overhead, and you can just sort of rock back and forth on the wheel and massage right between the shoulder blades. I like this because it stretches out the shoulders as well, and the front body and the ribs. You can also clasp the hands behind your head and do the same thing. So I'm just kind of rocking front to back. Nothing huge. Okay, if you'd like to go even deeper, you can release the head back and see if you can touch your hands down to the floor. See, now my butt's lifted, my knees are bent, so it's nothing on the low back, it's all in the upper back. Okay, so you can just kind of use your fingers to support your arms and stay here. Okay, and then if you're a regular practitioner and you have more flexibility in the upper back, you can use the wheel to help you go even deeper into a full back bend. So your hands will grab onto the wheel behind your head, and you'll reach back until your elbows come to the mat, and then you can straighten out your legs. So this is more of a full body pose, but it's definitely targeted to the upper back and shoulders. All right, so the beautiful thing about coming out is you've got the wheel underneath you for support, and you just release the wheel, Hold the back of your head with your thumbs and then interlace your fingers, and then bring your butt down to the mat. Other ways that you can use it for upper back are sideways. So you can bring the rib cage to the wheel, okay? Bring the other hand to the floor. And then the hand that's free, you just reach it up overhead for a beautiful side bend, but it's opening specifically in the upper thoracic. And you can even take it a step further. Where's my block? Well, there it is. You can even take it a step further to make it a little bit more restorative and put the block underneath your head and reach that arm up. I think I might like this with a smaller block or perhaps just a pillow. All right, so that's it. I think you're gonna love the yoga wheel if you decide to get one. I know that I've been using mine for several years now, and honestly, I use it probably on a weekly basis. It's definitely one of my regulars. If you enjoyed the video and found it informational, please hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. All right, be well, and I'll see you next time.